Good morning, guys. It's Thursday morning. We're in Springfield, Missouri, at Prime's base camp. And just got out of bed, fixing to go in and get some breakfast at the highway all night. We had a hell of a thunderstorm roll through last night, but unfortunately it was very little lightning to hit us, but you can see it forever. So anyway, Kyle's already inside. It's like 7:30 Central. So we're gonna go in and have some breakfast. I'll get back with you. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. Didn't do any videos yesterday. We're heading in for the all-important safety meeting and some free breakfast. So listen to the ramblings of the safety meeting. First one in Springfield, attended one last Friday in Pittston. So we'll do some clips today. We gotta go to Joplin, Missouri to get brake chamber changed on Kyle's rig. So that'll be the best part of the day, probably. So hang around. Well, guys, it's happened. I told you this morning we were going to head to Joplin to get Kyle's brake chamber swapped out. Amongst a brainstorm of opportunity, we went 2 exits east to a TA travel center where we felt confident that they would only take a little while and have us changed out and we would be gone. We're no longer going to shuttle trailers every weekend. We are going, Kyle has accepted a pre-plan to go to get a load of chicken fat. This will be a day, full day, well, not even a whole day hop, probably 3 hours down, 3 hours back. So we're sitting here at the TA, fingers up our ass.
Woo! Yeah! What else are we gonna do?
That's post-spooning celebration. Fuck your YouTube channel.
Fuck your YouTube channel!
Oh, shit. So I'm not used to this sitting around, so it's killing me. So anyway, we got down here to the TA, and Kyle was assuming that it'd be, because of, I guess, past experiences, it's going to be a little while. Well, we just hit the 4-hour mark, and we're sitting here. Well, actually, hold on. I'm skipping shit. We walk into the TA's service office, and dude is just ecstatic that somebody is standing in front of him needing a truck worked on. I mean, you could cut his excitement with a fucking piece of paper. I mean, there was no excitement. In fact, I thought that we were going to die right there when he looked up out of his eyes and saw that we may need some assistance. If you like your fucking job, quit. So, and the guys, and Kyle was like, well, how, what's the ETA? And the guy said, gonna be a while. And it said 6-7 hours. Before they even fucking call him to put the truck in the shop. Not alone saying it might be 2 hours to swap out a brake chamber, which I know is horse shit, because I've done a few. And in fact, if I had the tools, I'd do this shit myself. Just gave her trailer away.
Yes.
Fucking douchebags.
Damn it.
I tell you, what I've learned is you can talk to your fleet manager all you want. You know, you can talk to them all you want. They'll mention something to you, next thing you know, an hour later, that shit'll change. Oh, we changed something. That I don't like. You know, if you plan on shuttling trailers every weekend, leave that shit alone. You know? But the problem with tanker side is probably the problem with all the four divisions in Prime is there's a lot of freight, not enough trucks. I wouldn't say that reefer has 6,000 trucks, but or whatever. But tanker side, there is more freight than there is trucks. So anyway, we're sitting here waiting. He's patiently waiting. I'm getting fucking irritated waiting. So
it's the experience of driving for 2 hours for 2 years and having all that reefer experience.
Let me tell you something, pal. I drove for a while too, and I never had to wait 6 hours for my boss to show up to change the fucking brake chamber. In fact, an hour later, he was there. So, anyway, you can cut my enthusiasm with a piece of paper. Maybe even less. You might even be able to fart on it. And it's just crazy. So, we did catch up with Lyle of No Hippie Trucking and Transportation at Springfield yesterday. Didn't get any video yesterday. So this video will end today. I hope. So here's a picture of me and Lyle cheesing it up at Springfield Mothership. So Lyle's a nice guy. I've known him for a while. We've had a barbecue on the barbecue side of my channel, and he has a cooking channel, No Hippie Barbecue and Cooking. I'll leave both his channels links in the description box. His hit show more. So anyway, guys, we will give one last clip when we get done farting around with these dickheads here at TA. Hey guys, we just got back from getting Kyle's truck fixed. It wasn't even a brake chamber. It was the service proportion valve that was leaking under the catwalk. So that's what you get when people at inbound, outbound thinks they're diesel mechanics. I knew it probably wasn't the chamber. It was something to do with something else. Yeah, I was a mechanic at one point in my life, diesel mechanic. So it didn't sound like it was a chamber, but couldn't quite put my finger on the location. So anyway, we're back in Springfield, back in Sprimo Mothership. I'm gonna head in and get some coffee and my sweet tea's kicking, so maybe a piece of cheesecake, take a piss. So, guys, Springfield is pretty cool. They got movie theater. The cafe's open till late. The cafeteria food it's not too bad. It's better than truck stop food. Place is pretty large and in charge. So this is a nice spot. So anyway, there it is. Sorry about we didn't get much video of Springfield, but for me, it's not about the amenities right now. It's about giving you my journey of how PSD works and what you might encounter when you are going through PSD. And, you know, we're going to work on maybe some in-cab this evening, verbally. But first, I want a cup of coffee. So tomorrow we have a load going out for a one-day hop. So guys, thanks for sharing, thanks for liking and sticking with me. If you haven't liked, share, subscribe. Channel just over 4,400 subscribers. I love everybody for that. Thank you very much. Channel's growing pretty good. So we're in bobtail parking, as you can tell. There's Kyle's sliver. And we have a cut truck pulling up. So guys, you know, sorry it's not much of a video, but you know, at least you see what it's like to be a PSD student. So, ooh, a little tight. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. Share with your friends and family in the world. And when you do share with them, tell them the best barbecue and the best truck driver comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.